Welcome. We are going to show you how to set up and use Arch. Before starting to use Arch, make sure that you have at least one Phantom speaker installed. Start by placing Arch and the power cord out of the packaging. Connect Arch to the mains using the power cord and wait until the white light on Arch stops blinking. Launch the Devialet app, go to Settings, and choose Add a new product. Select Arch from the list and choose your preferred inputs between phono if you are using a turntable, line for a radio tuner, and digital for a CD player. You can change this setting later on. Now you will be able to choose between an Ethernet or a Wi-Fi configuration to link Arch to the same network as Phantom. If you choose a Wi-Fi configuration, make sure that your phone's Wi-Fi is turned on. Then continue and Arch will be detected automatically. If you choose an Ethernet configuration, connect an Ethernet cable, RJ45 connector, directly from your internet router or network switch into the corresponding Ethernet socket of Arch. Then continue and Arch will be detected automatically. Wait a couple of minutes until Arch is set up, then tap the link button on Arch when asked. That's it. Arch is ready to be used. To further configure Arch, you can now go to Settings, My Products, and in Accessories, select Arch. Use the Source menu to adjust Arch to your sources. If you are using a turntable, you can adjust the phono pre-amplification sensitivity according to your turntable cartridge. The default value is 5 millivolts. If you are using the line input, you can adjust the line sensitivity according to the source you are using. Default value is 2 volts. If you are using a digital cable, you can decide which source to activate between the left input and the right input. Thank you. We hope you have a great time using Arch.